Hello everyone, this is Fazıl. I'm food and beverage manager in Lifeco. Today we are going to make 4 recipes together. 3 of them raw vegan, last one is vegan cooked. I show you how to make hummus. I will use food processor. I'm adding cooked chickpea. Tahini, lemon juice, garlic, cumin, turmeric powder, Himalayan salt, and water. I will check it. Okay, it's ready. Our hummus is ready. You can make in 3 or 4 minutes. Enjoy your hummus. Now I'll show you how to make hummus wrap. I have rice paper. If you want, you can wrap each, but I will use 3 pieces because I want to make a 1 portion. This is room temperature water. We soaked 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. You can make like this. Okay, I have mixed green vegetables. Spinach, lettuce, arugula, and I have hummus. I'm adding more vegetables. If you want, you can put any vegetables in it. Avocado, and I will use Himalayan salt, black pepper. If you want, you can put lemon juice, up to you. Okay, when you wrap, first time you can make like this. And you can wrap like this. Okay, let's make portion together. Okay, our hummus wrap is ready. If you have a hummus, you can make minimum 3 or 4 minutes. Enjoy your hummus wrap. Show you how to make apple porridge. Let's start. I will use high-speed blender. I'm adding gluten-free oat flakes, green apple, I'm adding raisins, almond milk, and last one, cinnamon powder. Okay, our apple porridge is ready. Enjoy your apple porridge. I show you how to make pesto dip sauce. I will use high-speed blender. I have soaked cashew, spinach, rocket arugula, basil, lemon juice, Himalayan salt, and water. Our pesto sauce is ready. Enjoy your pesto. I'll show you how to make zucchini spaghetti. I will put another cup. I have pesto sauce. I will marinate it with pesto sauce and zucchini together. Okay, I want to add Himalayan salt and more pesto sauce. If you keep 5 or 10 minutes with the pesto sauce, it will be more tasty. I will use black olives for garniture and some cherry tomato. Okay, our zucchini spaghetti is ready. I show you how to make buckwheat rice. This is our vegan cooked option. Let's start. I will start with olive oil. If you want, you can use coconut oil. And I'm adding garlic. Red bell pepper, green bell pepper, I'm adding flax pepper, and black pepper, cumin, and Himalayan salt. Buckwheat, I'm adding grated tomato. If you don't have a grated tomato, you can use tomato paste or salsa. I'm adding water. We will cook 20 minutes like this.